Today we will be testing the bull bear power trend indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the bull bear power trend indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 63 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 822 indicators, with 334 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 27 of the winning indicators. 10 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best one a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are doing an advanced test on the bull bear power trend indicator, and you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And so basically we have the two kind of zones here, if you will. We have kind of a buying zone and a selling zone, and you can see those are represented by the reddish kind of cloud here and the greenish kind of cloud there. And so then we have an oscillating line here. It's kind of moving through the indicator itself, and that is helping to kind of determine the overall kind of trend direction. And then we have this histogram here kind of in the center. And so in the original testing, this indicator did 13 trades. So we were able to keep it on the daily time frame, and we tested it with the standard stop and take profit. And so on the original video, basically what we were looking for was the essentially the histogram here in the middle. And so the histogram kind of is determined by the two clouds here, the red cloud and the green cloud. And so you can see that when the green cloud starts to make its way down into the middle area of the indicator here, and the red cloud is broke out to the bottom here, that's when we get the red histogram bars that appear here. On the reverse side, you can see that as the green cloud is breaking out to the upside, the red cloud is making its way into the center kind of middle area here, that's when we get the green histogram. And so this histogram kind of highlights which of the two are in control, whether or not it's the bulls or the bears. And so green obviously being the bulls, kind of uptrend, the red being for the bears in a downtrend. And so the original test, we basically looked for the histogram to break out in green, we would go long. When it broke out in red, we would go short. And so let's see, a example of that's going to be, again, right here. You can see that we get that breakout to the green histogram bars right here. And so we would have had an entry right there, and you see that we get a really nice push to the upside there. Now, as you can see, we do get these instances where the red bars or even the green bars here are being displayed, then they will disappear for a moment and then they will come back. In the original testing, I believe that we took each of those as their own individual signals, and so if the red bar disappeared and then came back, we would then take that as another trade or signal. Same way with the green. If the green bars were being displayed, we would go long, but if they broke, we got a break in the bars and then they picked up green again, we'd also go long again. And so that's again how we tested it here. Here's a example of a short trade right here on this one, a short signal. And so you can see that we pick up the red histogram bars there, and we get a reasonably decent push to the downside there before we then kind of glance off and start to make a push to the upside. Then we start picking up the green bars as it's making the push to the upside there. And so what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the 50 trade advanced test, and then we'll pick it up on the other side to take a look at what it was able to achieve in the advanced testing. All right, so that's going to put us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve over the advanced testing, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. So this is our Discord server here. It is free. You're welcome to join most of these channels here. Like I said, they're free to join. You're welcome to join and take part of the conversations in those channels. But we do have a Patreon only channel set up just for our patrons to take advantage of some great advanced information. For example, one of our members, Sasquatch here, is an awesome Forex prop trader. He's putting up charts like this on a regular basis where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, and chart analysis that he has done of the Forex market. He's currently on vacation due to the holidays, and so he hasn't been posting a lot here recently, but typically every single week he is posting on a regular basis, maybe once a day, twice a day, a couple times a day, just really depends. We have some of our other members here that are also posting some charts, some positions that they got into that they were successful, good positions that they took some profits on, some indicators or systems that they were kind of playing with, and just kind of general chart analysis, things that we find interesting, videos, links to different information. All in all, just a really great, wonderful environment. Everybody's helping everybody out, supporting everybody, and really helping everybody grow as a trader. So I highly recommend that you join us. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at what this was able to achieve in the advanced test. So we did the 50 trades like normal, and out of the 50 trades, we got 24 winning trades. We got 26 losing trades. And so that is not going to meet the 60% criteria that we're looking for. It pretty much puts us at a 50% win rate. All in all, this indicator is actually a pretty solid indicator. I know quite a few people that use it. I have used it often myself. And so Sometimes just under particular conditions like these specific stops and take profit, it just wasn't quite able to get to that 60%. Again, we were looking for a very specific set of indicators under a very specific set of conditions, and so even though it didn't meet the criteria that we were looking for, and it's now going to go on the no list. Again, this is a really decent indicator. I think people should pay more attention to, look into it, play around with it, and see what you can get out of it in your own testing using your own system and so on. And so, all right, that's it for this one. Like I said, this one's going to go on the no list, unfortunately, and we will move on to the next video from here.